All right, we are on day one of review. So review today, review Monday, big quiz on Tuesday. This quiz covers your four operations and solving. So adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and solving rational expressions. So I put on here two problems that are identical, except a different sign, which means you do them completely differently. That's very important that you understand that. If you want to be successful on the quiz, you need to look at the operation and then develop a plan of attack every time. Like I look at this, I haven't even looked at anything on these yet. I simply have looked at the signs and I'm saying, oh, adding. I know to add, I need a common denominator. That's going to be my first step. I'm either going to create one or I'm going to look at them to see, oh, I already have one. Multiplying, I want everything in factored form. And I'm going to treat it like a big fraction and I'm going to see if I can cancel anything. So let's compare these two. Now, these are both pretty easy level problems because right here, you notice this is a common denominator already. We don't have to change anything. So we can go right to adding our numerators. We do need to distribute those, though. So if we distribute this one would be x squared plus x over our denominator. And we're going to add that to, go ahead and distribute this one out. That'll be 4x minus 8 over the same denominator. Cool. And now they can be added. So like terms, we have just a single x squared. X plus 4x would be a 5x. And then a minus 8. Cool. If that can factor, we should. So let's take a look. Are there factors of negative 8 that add to 5? And I'm pretty sure that is a no. Because you'd have like negative 8 and 1. That's not going to work. You'd have negative 4 and 2. Nah, that's not going to work. So nope, doesn't factor. That's our answer. And we include our restrictions, which are going to be x can't be 2 or negative 1. And that's it, because that's the only thing that was ever in the denominator. So cool. So we're done with the addition problem. So now we move to the multiplication problem. We want everything in factored form, and we want to just write it as a single fraction. Conveniently, everything is in factored form. So all we need to do is take a look at this and say, all right, what can we cancel out? Well, an x minus 2 with an x minus 2, an x plus 1 with an x plus 1, and that's it. So in our numerator, we're left with 4x. And in our denominator, x minus 2, x plus 1. And that would be it. No other simplifying needed. Nothing else cancels. Just write the restrictions. So, and they're the same as above. Again, none of the denominators changed here. There's no flipping or anything going on. So that's it. All right. So have a plan of attack on these. When you start working on the reviews today, you'll notice they're separated by sections, but you got to kind of have your strategy of how you attack each operation.